I've actually tried something similar in my own community.
Interesting.
And let me tell you, it sparked a lot of debate.
Oh,
But ultimately, it led to a more engaged and invested audience.
you know they say no press is bad press,
Right.
as long as you're being genuine and it aligns with your values.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've got empathy-driven content.
Mm-hmm.
We've got challenging the status quo.
Yep.
What's that third style?
All right, so the third style is all about showcasing results.
Okay.
He really stresses the importance of highlighting the achievements that you or your clients have attained, especially as those results relate to your target audience's aspirations.
So if you're trying to build a thriving school community,
Yeah.
you should be showing people how you did it,
Exactly.
how you helped somebody else do it.
Yeah, proof over promises.
Proof over promises.
Right.
Okay.
And that actually ties into another crucial point that he emphasizes, and that's authenticity. He warns against putting on a facade or inflating your expertise.
Which is so tempting sometimes.
Oh, I know, especially
in the online world.
It's so easy to do that online.
Have you seen that backfire
Oh, all the time.
in your work with communities?